Hello guys, this is Sean from Exodius Auto Protection, and here we have this brand spanking new 2026 Lexus GX550. So Lexus refreshed the GX chassis and everything. They got this thing, it looks like a Jeep now almost. And what we're doing to it is kind of an unorthodox thing. It's definitely been done before. It's just not super common to see out there. It's a tuxedo top roof PPF. So what we're gonna do, if you just wanna follow me over to the side, is following the windows, we're gonna black this out with Gloss Black PPF. We're gonna black this out, black the roof out. We're also gonna black out the shark fin, and you'll kind of see following along the car, all of this will be blacked out. And then coming to the back portion, we're gonna put a piece that goes right till there, and it's gonna kind of connect to this rear trim piece. So that way, when you look at the car, it's basically like just, black all up top, white on the bottom. That's where you get that two-tone tuxedo name from. And you can already kind of see Lexus has kind of done that. They've made this gloss black, this gloss black, this gloss black. So you have a lot of gloss black on the vehicle to kind of match that to, and that's why it's so popular on the Lexus GX and on the Land Cruiser and stuff like that. It's very, very popular. We're gonna be doing Gloss Black Expel PPF. It comes with a 10-year warranty against any type of delamination, discoloring, fading, cracking. So this stuff is gonna last you a long, long time, and you're not gonna have issues with it 3-4 years down the line. Definitely an interesting project. So I think we should get to the finished product. You guys will see that real soon. Hey guys, so we are back with the Lexus GX Tuxedo PPF. It's all finished up, and honestly, it looks insane. So what we did, and you kind of follow me with this, we wrapped these A-pillars in gloss black. So this A-pillar, the extended A-pillar that connects to the quarter panel, the roof, and even the top portion of the quarter panel is all wrapped up in that beautiful black gloss PPF from Expel. And it really gives this car like that presidential two-tone, almost like a Rolls-Royce type of look. A lot of people really like this because when you look at the side of the car now, it looks like it's just windows from start to end. So I think it came out really, really nice, and then it's ready to send out to the customer. If you guys are looking to get anything similar done to your vehicle, we do vinyl wraps, paint protection film, window tint, and a lot more. Please give us a call or fill out the form online for a free quote. We'll catch you then.